Hi, my name is David. Today we are going to learn Chinese Pinyin, which you can call the phonetic symbols of Chinese characters. In this lesson, let's start with these three phonetic symbols, which are a, o, e, and in Pinyin, these three sounds are under the category of Yunmu, which is similar to the vowel in English. Now, please repeat with me. A, o, e, a, o, e. Good job. Now that you know the sounds of the three, next I want to introduce you the tone of the sound. Generally, there are four tones for each sound under the category of Yunmu. So for a sound, there are four tones. A, 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 a. So similarly, for a sound, there are four tones. A, o, o. So for a sound, we have e, e. Now, please repeat with me. A, 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 a. O, 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 o. E, e. Well done. And practice more. It will be better. A, o, e. That's it for today's lesson. See you in next video.